Sego kwe kwe kinawea danse. Greetings, my relatives. So you can see there's a pot boiling behind me here, and it's my cedar tea. It's actually simmering. It just looks like it's boiling, and it's ready. It's been on here for about 5 minutes. And so what I do is I turn the heat off, and then I remove the cedar itself. I just put it on a pot, or a plate rather, not a pot. I take it out of the pot and put it on a plate. And you can see, if you look carefully, that there is a yellowish liquid inside. And that's the color that I like my cedar tea to be. And I simply pour a cup. You can see that really good. And I always like to have it a little bit sweet. So I put a bit of maple syrup, which doesn't raise your glycemic index, adds that bit of sweetness that some people like. And I try to make sure that I'm keeping track of how much I'm actually putting in. So I usually put in about a teaspoon. And of course it darkens the tea, because this is a very, very dark maple syrup that I'm using from a friend of mine, a Métis friend of mine, who makes his own maple syrup. And then this is ready to drink. Fresh, hot cup of tea, straight from the bosom of Mother Earth. Easy to make, full of nutrition, full of vitamin C. It's a detoxifier. If you're a little bit constipated, you can drink some of this and it will help you as well. You want to make sure you don't drink too much. And cedar tea is great for people who are not allergic to cedar. If you know that you are allergic to cedar, please don't drink cedar tea. But if you're not, and you want a really good hot cup of goodness, I highly recommend cedar tea. Hope you make a pot, and I hope you enjoyed, everybody. So good. See you soon.